What's up, fellow geeks? Today we have the ROG Phone 6 Diablo Immortal Edition. Big shout out to Asus ROG for sending this to us. This phone was conceived in collaboration with the brilliant minds at Blizzard Entertainment, and when you know Blizzard's involved, you know you're in for a good time. So before we open this package, let's look at what's in the outside. And on the front you have Scan looking menacingly and horrifyingly at you. And on the sides of the package we have all of the class symbols. I'm just really happy I get to see my Necromancer and Hunter symbols on there because I do love my skeletons and I do love my crossbows. So with that out of the way, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, and inside, ooh, okay, it looks like we have a map and, oh, okay, so that's where the charger is. Okay, and there's a map on the front where we can see things. I think that's what the UV light is for. And we have the ROG and Diablo Immortal logos on the back. So, you know, you get an ROG braided cable. It's USB-C to USB-C, and that's used for the 65-watt charger that we have here. And let's just clip it in so we can get our phone up and running once we get it out of the Worldstone. But before that, here is a box holding the UV light that ROG has given us because there are secrets on the map that we saw earlier on, and we've been told there are a couple things all over the place, so we'll check it out. So let's just pop a battery in there and see whether this works. Let's see how strong this is, and that's alright. I mean, we can see one by one, but we have something better than this. Let's get this big boy out, and as you can see, it covers a much wider area. So if you guys know what the markings mean on the map and around it, let us know in the comment section down below. Let's get into the Worldstone, where the ROG Phone 6 Diablo Immortal Edition lies within. Let's crack it open, guys. It's beautiful. It looks exactly like the Worldstone in the game. You got the ROG and Diablo Immortal logos on the top as well in glimmering red. Now let's take the top off, and ROG, you guys always know how to present your packaging. This looks amazing right off the bat. So let's just unsleeve this and see how it looks like without the plastic. But before that, let's see what other accessories we get. And we have a phone case, which is always a nice touch because we hardly get phone cases with our phones anymore. So thanks to Asus ROG for that. And ooh, what's this at the back? We got a fancy schmancy DI logo on the back. Let's just open it. Oh! So we also get an ejector pin with the Diablo Immortal logo on the front, and at the back it says Immortality awaits. So let's get into the phone case and rip it out real quick. This is the Shield Blessing Aero case, which is meant for the phone, and it has a beautiful motif with even more Diablo Immortal branding on it as well. And of course, you need to let people know that you are a huge Diablo Immortal fan and that you own the limited edition ROG Phone 6 model. This is a stunning piece, and honestly, I don't think I need to change my case after this. But let's use the UV light and see what else is on here. And ooh, ROG logo hidden on the side down there. The Immortal logo lights up as well. Very nice touch. And ooh, the runes glow as well. Right, so let's get into the main star of the show. The ROG Phone 6 Diablo Immortal Edition. Nice little peeling feeling, and this is a beautiful bag. Scan looks menacing, and how you orientate the phone will reveal the fires of hell behind him. The ROG Phone 6 Diablo Immortal Edition packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with a Qualcomm Adreno 730 GPU, 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 512GB of storage. Display-wise, we're looking at a 165Hz Samsung AMOLED screen with a response time of 1 millisecond. We also have a 3-system rear camera, a 15MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide angle camera, and a 5MP macro camera. At the bottom, we have an audio jack and a Type-C port. And everything else that comes with the ROG Phone 6, you can put on an Aeroactive Cooler 6 on it as well. So without further ado, let's start her up, and of course not forgetting our Shield Blessing Aero case. Alright, nice! Oh, look at Scan. Any good player would know never to lose faith and fold to the ruinous powers of hell. But you know what would fold? The Asus Zenbook 17 Fold.
Introducing the world's first 17-inch OLED foldable screen. The Asus Zenbook 17 Fold OLED features 6 modes of using the laptop, including laptop mode, tablet mode, and desktop mode. It offers a laptop experience like no other with its big and beautiful 17.3-inch foldable OLED Nano Edge touchscreen, and transforms into a portable 12.5 powerhouse laptop when folded. Great for productivity enthusiasts.
And now we're back with Scan looking charmingly at us. Let us uncover the secrets hidden in this phone. Greeting us is a live wallpaper of Scan, his eyes glowing, the fires of hell around him, and he looks so heckin' cool. It's not a Diablo phone without a Diablo wallpaper and Diablo themed icons. So let's just get into Armory Crate real quick and see if there are any changes or if there's anything else we can do with this phone. Like any other ROG Phone 6, you can definitely customize the settings of your lighting on the back of the phone however you like. And of course, if you enable X mode on the ROG Phone 6, it will, by default, enable the lights on the back of the phone. This is definitely a piece you want to show off to everyone. And of course, if you're a die-hard Diablo fan, this will be the phone for you. And honestly, if you got it, flaunt it. And don't forget to bring Furious Light to show off the details. The wallpaper also changes when you enable X mode. And you also get epic music for a default ringtone. It's also really cool that they have a live wallpaper of all the classes in Diablo for a live wallpaper when you receive a call. What's more is a cool animation plays when you plug your charger in, and you guys just know how to spoil your fans. Also showing you guys we have a refresh rate of 165Hz. Alright, so we have Diablo booted up. Let's see our settings real quick. We are on 60 frame rates per second. We obviously on high. We're on highs with everything. And let's see what else we got. High. Yeah, I think we're pretty much set. So let's just get into the game. Off the bat, the ROG Phone 6 feels really good in hand. I expect nothing less after using the ROG Phone 6 Pro. Performance-wise, it's doing pretty well so far. Let's see how the phone takes on handling a huge amount of enemies with a lot of effects and mobs going all around. No frame rate drops, nothing so far. And I gotta say, I have not experienced any change in temperature. My hands are still cool to the touch, and I'm having a ball of a time killing all the different demons in game. So final verdict, this phone handles the game extremely well. It was built for this game anyway. If you're a huge Diablo Immortal player or a Diablo fan like I am, you will fall in love with this phone at first sight. If you have any questions about this phone, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll do my best to get to them. Don't forget to follow us on all of our socials, leave a like and subscribe to us. It goes a long way. And if you like the content you're seeing so far, check out these videos right here.